Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Snowflake using OAuth SSO, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Snowflake using OAuth SSO, start by logging into your Snowflake account. Ensure that you have administrative privileges to configure OAuth settings. Navigate to the Account section in the Snowflake user interface. Select Security from the menu options. Click on OAuth to access the OAuth configuration settings. You will need to register your application with an OAuth provider. Choose an appropriate OAuth provider, such as Google, Microsoft, or GitHub. Follow the specific steps provided by your chosen OAuth provider to create a new application. Once created, you will receive a client ID and client secret. Copy and save these credentials securely, as you will need them later. Return to the Snowflake interface and enter the client ID and client secret in the OAuth settings. Configure the callback URL, which Snowflake will use to redirect after successful authentication. Save the settings to apply the changes. Now, set up your Snowflake user to use OAuth for authentication. In the Users section, select the user account that will utilize OAuth. Edit the user's authentication method, setting it to OAuth. Ensure that the user has been assigned the necessary roles and permissions. Next, navigate to the OAuth provider and create an authorization URL. This URL will facilitate the OAuth process by redirecting users for authentication. Share the authorization URL with your users as the starting point for login. When users access this URL, they will be prompted to enter their credentials for the OAuth provider. Upon successful login, they will be redirected back to Snowflake. At this point, their access will be authenticated based on the OAuth configuration. Encourage users to log in using the OAuth method to access Snowflake seamlessly. Monitor the authentication logs in Snowflake to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Make adjustments as necessary if any issues arise during the authentication process. And that completes the authentication process with Snowflake using OAuth SSO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.